1940 model code truck. Pretty solid truck. Mounted on a 1972 1-ton camper special turbo 400 automatic, drives out good, power steering, power disc brakes. All the lights work. This is two 1950 Chevrolet beds put together with a 54 tailgate. Period correct, Holmes wrecker. It's a factory wrecker. We mounted onto this. Drives good. It's a 1973 Nova 6-cylinder motor in it. Has enough power to take you on down the road. Railroad jack. Got 2 spares. Got the Holmes plate on it, a wrecker tag on it, batteries mounted in here. The gas tank is in here. It's a beer keg. Works out good, holds about 15 gallon. This is 2 1950 Chevrolet fenders put together. Say all the lights work. It's got 2 lights up here. Got a light there. Comes on for running lights or park lights. Tag light works. It's just a Ratrod coat. Cowl still lifts up for fresh air. Still got the sought after emblem on front. The windshield still cranks out. Got a jack here, and here is your boom lights. It's a head turner. The emergency brake works. It's got a brand new fan, new alternator, 1-wire alternator. That light works. It's automatic. Shifter right there. Got your fan right there. Fog light switch. It's got the horn. Fires right up, runs smooth. This dog box needs to be reworked.